Today's Southern Gardening is in Vicksburg, visiting the beautiful gardens of our friends Donna and Richie. Let's take a stroll along the path on the side of their home to look at their English garden. The first thing we come to is the 2019 Mississippi Medallion winner, Blew My Mind Evolvulus. This plant produces scores of vibrant blue flowers that last a single day. Looking down the path, we're invited in by this beautiful metal arch that frames the view of the peaceful garden inside. Clematis vines scrambles up, over, and around the structure to provide some fascinating plant interest. Entering the side garden, we're greeted by creative mass combination plantings of bright, colorful annuals and perennials. Of course, the larger plants like the pink knockout roses make an instant visual impact. But I really like the small plants tucked in the corners like this orange Portulaca. Just down the path, we find the fantasy Caladium with its snowy white leaves, deep red magenta veining, and emerald green edging. Next to it is the low-growing lamb's ear, which is a nice companion to the Caladium. Across the path, the low-growing orange profusion zinnia grabs your attention. This is contrasted by the tall blooms of the orange ditch lily that gently sway in the breeze. And in the center of it all is the multi-tiered fountain, with its relaxing sound of falling water. The mixture of colors and textures makes this side garden a peaceful and attractive getaway from the hustle and bustle of life. I'm horticulturist Gary Bachman, and I hope you'll join me next time on Southern Gardening.